piss off, piss off. In British. Tell someone to go away angrily. Piss off, Jake, before I lose my temper. Piss off, Mark, before I really get angry. Piss someone off. Piss someone off. Make someone angry or annoy. The boy's constant cymbal banging pissed Lisa off. Alex's messy room always pisses her mother off. Rip off. Rip off. To cheat someone, charge too much, or steal. That store ripped me off with their high prices. That artist ripped off my original design without asking. Chicken out. Chicken out. To not do something because of fear. I was going to speak, but I checked out last minute. Sarah chickened out of bungee jumping at the last minute. Pick on. Pick on. To bully or criticize someone repeatedly. The other kids often pick on Sarah at school. Bullies pick on younger children. Riled up. Riled up. Become angry or annoy. Joe can get pretty riled up when he drives. Emma got riled up when she saw the mess in the kitchen. Fend off. Fend off. To push or keep something away. Sally used pepper spray to fend off the thief. Chris raised his arms to fend off the attacking dinosaur. Scarf down. Scarf down. To eat something quickly. Anna was in rush, so she scarfed down her meal. Ryan scarfed down an ice cream cone before it melted. Shake off. Shake off. Get rid of a feeling, habit, illness. Emma wrapped herself in a blanket to shake off the cold. It took me days to shake off the flu. Beef up. Beef up. To add weight, strength, or power. Bilal beefed up his muscles at the gym. Security is beefed up at the stadium. Hop in. Hop in. To get into a vehicle quickly or casually. Hop in if you want to go to the mall with me. Jack told Emma to hop in so they wouldn't be late. Butt in. Butt in. Interrupt someone rudely. Every time James talks, Tom butts in with his opinion. My kids butt in whenever I'm in a live meeting. Desi up. Desi up. To dress up in a fancy or attractive way. Ethan gussied up for his job interview. Ava gussied up the cupcake with colorful sprinkles. Nip out. Nip out. Go out quickly for a short time. Sarah nipped out to buy milk from the shop. Layla nipped out to take the dog for a walk. Chip in. Chip in. To contribute something. My friends chipped in to help pay the bill. Everyone chipped in to buy her a gift. Pass up. Pass up. Miss an opportunity. I never pass up the opportunity to eat free donuts. Sophia didn't want to pass up the chance to study abroad. Live off. Live off. To depend on a person or thing for money. Jake still lives off his parents at the age of 30. Some people live off selling handmade crafts online. Coop up. Coop up. Stuck in a small space. I hate being cooped up in the house all day. I felt like a bird cooped up in a cage. Slack off. Slack off. Not doing your work. Don't slack off just because the boss isn't here. The boss walked in and saw him slacking off. Dote on. Dote on. Love and care for someone a lot. Omar dotes on his newborn baby every day at home. Ollie dotes on his little sister and buys her gifts often.